Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gorretti. If you're new here, please subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So in this video, I'm showing you how to use aloe vera leaves or simply aloe vera for massive hair growth. I know you have watched a lot of videos talking about hair growth, and you've tried a lot of things. Some work, some don't, but I'm sure using aloe vera will really help your hair to grow long and fast. And if you followed me on my channel from the beginning, which was in I think February this year, you'd know that I started when my hair was like 1 inch long because I did the big chop on 2nd January. And right now, this fro is how long my hair is. Let me show you how long it is. Yeah, you can see. hmm That is my hair. That is how long it is. And it's not even a year old. Yeah, so I'm sharing something that I have experience with. It's not just hearsay, it's something that has been proven. Yeah, and before we get into the video, there is another video I made a while back sharing 5 tips that could help you grow your hair long and fast. Yeah, so I hope you watch that video after this, because I leave the link in the description box for that video. I hope you watch it and I hope it helps. So without further ado, oh, sorry, before again we start the video, um I was supposed to do a vlogmas, and I kind of failed myself and you guys, because today is the 3rd of December and I haven't uploaded one vlogmas video, but they say better late than never. So I'm going to start a vlogmas, and this is going to be the first video of vlogmas. I'm going to be sharing hair videos. I'm going mostly to concentrate on natural hair videos. I'm also going to concentrate on cooking videos, and maybe a little bit of lifestyle, family, parenting, something like that. So I hope you subscribe and you enjoy the video. So now let's get to the video. Take the aloe vera leaves and cut off the tips and the base, and put them aside. You can use them to propagate new aloe vera plants. Then cut off the sides, the thorny sides, to remove the thorns. Once you are done, divide the aloe vera into two. Cut along the leaf to expose the slimy stuff inside. That slimy thing is the gel. That is the aloe vera gel. So scrap it off using a knife. See how easy that is? Put it in a bowl or a dish or just a container. Do the same with the other half of the leaf. And since I am going to be using 2 aloe vera leaves, I'm going to do the same thing with the other leaf. Once you are done, use your hands to squash the gel. This will be better and easier using a blender, but since my blender is broken, I'm going to be using my hands and a fork. Use a fork to beat the gel until you see that slimy stuff. That is the gel. Then find a clean cloth, like a cheesecloth, but if you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use a stocking. I am using a stocking. Squeeze the gel out and separate it from the aloe vera debris. Put the gel in a container or a bottle. I'm going to be using a spray bottle. Then add water to the aloe vera debris and again beat it with a fork to make aloe vera juice. You want it thin enough to spray. Then again store it in a spray bottle. So as you've seen from the two aloe vera leaves I have made both aloe vera gel and aloe vera juice, which I'm going to be using. Today is my wash day. I'm washing my hair and I will use the aloe vera gel both as a detangler and pre-pull. I will also use it to deep condition my hair once I have finished washing my hair. And this will come in handy because I will use it as a spritz. I will be using it when moisturizing my hair. It helps to reduce dandruffs, prevent itching, and also moisturize. So yeah, so let me show you how I'm going to use the aloe vera gel. Remember, never manipulate dry hair. So first spray the hair using the aloe vera juice or just plain water so that it does not break when you manipulate it. Then use very little aloe vera gel and apply to a section of the hair. Start detangling using your fingers and a wide-toothed comb. Once you're done detangling each section, put it in twists. The gel has a lot of slip, which helps to melt the tangles. My hair has not only grown long really fast, the volume is also massive. So I have shampooed and conditioned my hair. This is how my hair looks like right now. Yeah, I have put it in large twists. And now I'm going to use the last aloe vera gel to condition, to deep condition. Instead of using a commercial deep conditioner, I'm going to be using the aloe vera gel. So I will only be applying a little, and yeah. Then I'll put it back in twist. This does not only add moisture, but it helps. Aloe vera is, it is like really good at defining curls, especially on type 4 hair. So put it in twists. So as you have seen, aloe vera can be used in different ways on natural hair. I used it as a detangler. I can use it to spritz my hair when moisturizing. And of course, I can use it as a conditioner, deep conditioner. Right now, I am applying it as a conditioner, and when I'm done, I'm going to sit with a thermal cup for about 20 minutes. Then I'll rinse it off and style my hair. But it is so good for natural hair. It helps with massive hair growth. If you keep using aloe vera, if you make it like part of your hair regimen, it's going to be very helpful in growing your hair long, in moisturizing your hair, making sure your hair doesn't dry out. So even though today is on 3rd of December and Vlogmas day 3, this is going to be my first Vlogmas video. I hope you join the fun. Yeah, I'm going to try to be consistent in the next 22 days. Yeah, and post a video every day for Vlogmas until Christmas Day. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you understand how to use aloe vera for massive hair growth. And thank you for watching.